This is Mr. Martin. This video is for Pre-Calc Honors. We're looking at a summation example in this video using the closed forms for sigma notation. So for this example, we're going to go ahead and look at the sum as k goes from 10 to 30 of 4k cubed minus 3k. Now in our closed forms, we have to start with a value of k equals to 1. So we're going to have to be a little creative when we figure out this sum using our closed form. So what we're going to do is we're going to break this up into the sum as k goes from 1 to 30 of 4k cubed minus 3k, and then we're going to subtract out the sum as k goes from 1 to 9, because we only want the values from 10 of the same expression, 4k cubed minus 3k. So basically we end up with two problems in one. Alright, so let's go ahead and start working this out. So for this first term here, I'm going to pull that 4 out. I'm going to factor the 4 out, which is an acceptable operation for summations. So it's going to be 4. And if we look at our closed form for k cubed, it's going to be k squared times k plus 1 squared over 4. So that's going to be 4 times 30 squared times 30 plus 1 squared all over 4. And then for minus 3k, so again I'll factor out the 3, so I have 3. And then the closed form for k is going to be k, which is 30 times k plus 1. It's 30 plus 1 divided by 2. So that takes care of k equals 1 to 30. Now we'll subtract out k equals 1 to 9. So we're going to repeat that again with a n equal to 9. So again, factor out the 4. And then we're going to have 9 squared times 9 plus 1 squared over 4 minus 3 times 9 plus 1 over 2. And you won't have to memorize the closed forms, by the way. Those will be given to you on the assessment. Just need to know how to use them. All right, so now starting to calculate these, this first term here should be 864,900. The second term here should be 1,395. And next we should have 8,100 minus 135. And if we calculate all this out, we should end up with a final sum of 855,540. Alright, so if you're looking for the closed forms, they're in worksheet 8.1 on the second page, and again, those will be given to you on an assessment, so you don't need to memorize those. And as usual, if you have any questions, make sure you get those answered the next time you see me, and we'll see you next time.